How to communicate effectively. Effective communication is a skill that everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience, can learn. Some of history's greatest leaders have also been excellent communicators and orators. Today, one of the most sought-after college majors is communications because people understand the value of a truly effective communicator. You'll be able to communicate your ideas clearly and effectively if you have a little self-assurance and a working understanding of the fundamentals. 1. Pick the right moment. There is a time and place for everything, as the proverb goes, and communicating is no exception. 2. Encourage frank, private dialogue. Choose a location that will allow for the flexibility needed for the dialogue to begin, grow, and mature. Avoid telling someone something uncomfortable to hear in front of others, around coworkers, or close to other people, such as the news of a death or a breakup. 3. Eliminate all commotion. Disconnect from any electronics that might obtrude on the talk. If the phone rings, ignore it the first time, then immediately turn it off and carry on speaking. 4. Clarify and arrange concepts in your head. Before attempting to share any thoughts, do this. If you haven't already identified some essential points to keep to when talking, your ideas may become jumbled when you are feeling enthusiastic about a subject. 5. Be really clear. From the outset, be sure to make clear the message you want to convey. Your goal can be to inform people, gather data, or take action. For instance, things will run more smoothly if individuals are aware of your expectations from the communication up front. 6. Remain focused. As you begin to discuss your 3 main points, be sure that everything you say strengthens and adds to the message you want to get across. 7. Appreciate the listening. I appreciate you taking the time to listen and respond, person or group. No matter how your conversation turns out, no matter if the response to your presentation or discussion has been less positive than you had intended, conclude it gracefully by showing sufficient courtesy to everyone's time and opinion. 8. Make the listener comfortable. Before beginning your chat or presentation, you should complete this. Sometimes it can be beneficial to start with a favorite anecdote. This makes you more recognizable to the audience as someone who behaves similarly to them and shares their problems. 9. Be clear-headed. To ensure that your message is conveyed in a way that every listener can understand, it is crucial to present it clearly and unambiguously. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.